Today, I want to go over how you can share your chat with somebody else and all of the reasons you would want to do exactly that. Let's get into it. Now, before I can show you how to share a chat, we need to create one. So let's head over to the chat interface and let's prompt GPTease. Now, I presently have my GPTease configured so that I only get one response back, and it's the creative response. So now we'll have GPTease draft this JOI script before we can share it with someone else. Okay, now GPTease has created the script that I asked for in my prompt. But you're going to notice while it's creating that in the top right, two new icons have appeared. The response icon, this is where you can click and configure if you want one or two responses from GPTease and which one you'd like to see. But also this share button. And this share button, when you click it, is exactly how you can share your GPTease chats with someone else. Now, what you'll see here is an icon where you can edit the title of the chat. There is a preview of what's in the chat, and then the option to click here to create a link to the chat. Now, once you've created a link to the chat, you can then copy the link and share it with whomever you want. Another way to share your chat is at the bottom of the response GPTease gives you. You'll notice this icon right here next to the copy or restrict words icons is where you can share it as well. Now, when you click the option here, you get more options to share your chat with GPTease. You can share the AI response only sharing with someone else what the AI gave you in response. You can share the prompt you gave GPTease and the response the AI gave you, or you can share the entire chat all in one go. Either way, you would select whichever one you wanted to choose, and then you would create link, and you would copy it and share it to whomever makes sense. So what reasons might you have for wanting to share your GPTease chats with someone? Well, let me name a few. First off, for collaboration on content creation. Maybe you are going to film with another creator or do a content trade together, and you want to write the script or try to articulate the vision you have for the content you're going to make. You can do that using GPTs and then share your chat with that other creator to get their approval, to get their feedback before you show up the day of filming and have no starting place on what you're going to create together. Another reason you might share a GPT's chat is when you're creating custom content for fans. This is something we see a lot of is when a creator gets a custom request, they go to GPTs to help create a script for that custom video or that custom content, and then they share that chat link with their fan to get their approval before filming the customs. This gives fans a way to be involved in the process. It makes them feel way more invested in the custom content you're creating for them, and it also gets them really, really excited on what's to come. Another useful reason to share a GPT's chat is for training opportunities. So maybe you are training a team for yourself as a creator or a VA, virtual assistant. When you share your GPT's chats with them, it gives that team member that's in training an idea on how to align with your brand voice and how to kind of co-create the type of content that you make. For example, if a VA is meant to caption your OnlyFans posts as one of their general tasks, you can share a chat GPTs with them where you've drafted all of the captions that you would use for OnlyFans posts. Then your new VA or team member can kind of understand and catch all the nuance there is on how you want those posts captioned. And speaking of the team use case, GPTs and chat sharing is really useful for delegation or for continuity. For example, say you started a project and maybe you're planning your content calendar for the next 30 days, but you get interrupted or life happens and you have to step away, but you want a member of your team to pick up where you left off. You can share your GPT's chat with them so they can see the work you've done, and then they can go into their own GPT's chat. Maybe you even have a team plan, and they can pick up right where you left off. Another use case we see all the time with GPTs is creators share their chats with other creators to try to teach them about the industry, and I love to see it. Creators will share chat on how they script their videos, or how they caption their posts, or how they batch content creation, and everything in between. And when we share chats like that with other creators, not only does it give them an opportunity to see your workflows and why you are so good at what you do, but it also gives them the opportunity to understand GPTs as a product and try the product for themselves. So when you do that, especially, we really love it here at GPTs. I hope this has been really educational and informational on how to share chats and why it's so useful. And I hope that today you share your first one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.